There are around 304 trillion trees on Earth, and every year IKEA uses nearly 1% of them, about 30 billion trees, to make furniture. But few know that this global giant started with a small boy and a box of matchsticks. Ingvar Kamprad, born in Sweden, was a quiet child who struggled with dyslexia. At the age of 6, he started his first business. His grandmother gave him 88 Swedish cents, which he used to buy 100 matchboxes. His first sale was to his grandmother, who paid 3 cents, and soon neighbors began buying from him. He turned this into 3 Swedish kroner, igniting his passion for business. As he grew, Ingvar continued selling small items like pens and wallets, and reinvested his profits wisely. At 17, after completing school, his father gifted him money to start a company. In 1943, IKEA was born, named from his initials, Ingvar Kamprad, his family farm, Elmtarid, and village, Agunnarid. Originally a mail-order business, IKEA stood out by selling everyday items at low prices. After World War II, demand for cheap furniture rose, and Ingvar added it to his catalog. To make things simpler for himself and customers, he named products instead of using codes due to his dyslexia. Despite challenges from competitors and boycotts by suppliers, Ingvar found clever solutions, like paying suppliers faster and designing his own furniture. One day, when a customer couldn't fit a table into their car, an IKEA employee suggested removing the legs. That idea sparked the invention of flat-pack furniture, revolutionizing the industry. Ingvar also designed IKEA stores with a one-way path so customers would see everything, and he added restaurants to keep them inside longer. His store became a destination, not just a shop. To protect IKEA from high inheritance taxes in Sweden, Ingvar set up a complex legal structure, which led to accusations of tax avoidance. IKEA also later apologized for using suppliers linked to forced labor in East Germany. Despite controversies, by the 1990s, IKEA had expanded worldwide and became the largest furniture retailer. Ingvar Kamprad passed away in 2018 at the age of 91. Today, IKEA has over 470 stores globally and still names its products with Swedish words, an enduring legacy of a boy who turned matchboxes into a global empire.